This is Scherzo number 4 in Suzuki Book 3. No big problems there. This is a big shifting thing that has to happen really fast. And I want you to stop your bow to execute the shift as a flop. Not a karate chop, not a muscle thing, but a gravity thing. Let this note happen. You're in position here and you drop. So pause in between each and every shift so you can focus on the shift to let it fall. Let it fall. You're in attention, you're in first position, and then boom. It's gravity that lets your hand go. So let's play the whole piece right now with the repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. And on those A's, I'm already up in 4th position. Shift. Shift. I don't shift, sorry. Here we go. And then we slow down for the melodic part. Shift up on the first finger. Shift back. Shift up on the first finger. This is an extension. This is a tough little shift. Shift up on the first finger. Shift up on the second finger. Shift up on the first finger. Shift up on the D string second finger. Here we go. Back to the tempo 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift. 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 Okay.